Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Aloyti World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you start, home and new tabs with Microsoft Edge. So for this case we will go to Microsoft Edge that I have been pinned in my taskbar. So go to the three dot icon and enter the settings option. So here we want start, home and new tabs. So here the when Edge start, see this is the page, home button, new page. This is the features of this browsing site. So if you want to add this new page, so here in this way use all, open the tabs, see the home button, see when I, so if I on, see the home button here, see this is the shortcut way settings. So here again, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much. Please subscribe this channel.